No, not now. This is the worst possible timing.
What's the matter, Speaker One? You sound very annoyed. Is something wrong with your laptop?
Yes, I am in the middle of writing a very important email, and a big warning just popped up on my screen. It says, "Low battery. Please connect your computer to a power source." I only have 10% of my battery left.
Okay, so you just need to plug it in. The wall socket is right behind you.
I know, but to plug it in, I need my power cord, and I have absolutely no idea where it is.
You've lost your laptop charger.
I haven't lost it forever, I hope, but I can't find it right now. I thought it was right here, in my laptop bag, but it's not.
Don't worry. We will find it. It must be somewhere in the apartment. Let's start a search mission. I will help you look for it. Before we start our search, can you describe the power cord to me, just to be sure I know exactly what I am looking for?
That's a good idea. It's the standard charger that came with my laptop. It's black.
Okay, black. And it's in one piece?
No, it's in two main parts that connect together. There is a thick cable with a 3-pin plug on the end that goes into the wall socket.
Right, the plug for the wall.
That thick cable then connects to a small, black, rectangular box. I think that is called the power adapter. It's the part that gets a bit warm sometimes.
The power adapter. Yes, that's the brain of the charger.
And then, coming out of the other side of that black box is a much thinner cable. This is the cable that has the special connector on the end that plugs into the side of my laptop.
A thick cable, a black box, and a thin cable with a special connector. Okay, I have a very clear picture in my mind now. Let the search begin. Right, our search mission has begun. The first and most important rule when you are looking for a lost item is to check the most logical places first.
And what is the most logical place for a laptop charger to be?
Well, where do you normally keep it? Where is its home?
I try to be organized, so I try to always keep it in the front pocket of my laptop bag. But I have already looked there 3 times and it is definitely not there.
Okay, so it's not in its home. What is the second most logical place? That would be the place where you use your laptop the most, your desk in the study.
Of course, my desk. I often leave it plugged into the wall socket behind the desk. Let's go and look in there now.
Okay, we are at your desk. I will look on top of the desk, and you can look underneath it, near the power strip.
I'm looking underneath now. There are a lot of tangled cables down here for the computer and the screen, but no, my laptop charger is not one of them. It is not here. I was so sure it would be at my desk. I am starting to feel that sense of panic again.
Let's stay calm and logical. We have only checked the 2 most obvious places. Now we have to start thinking about the less obvious places.
What do you mean?
I am talking about the place where all lost electronic items go to hide. I am talking about the famous box of miscellaneous cables.
The box of cables. I know exactly what you mean. We have a drawer like that in the kitchen, don't we? The everything drawer.
Yes, the drawer of chaos. It's full of old phone chargers, USB cables for devices we don't own anymore, and all sorts of mysterious adapters. Maybe you put your laptop charger in there by mistake.
It is possible. Let's go and check. Okay, I am opening the drawer now. Oh my, it is a real jungle of wires in here.
I will help you. Let's take everything out and check each cable one by one.
Okay, this one is for my old camera. This one is for my electric toothbrush. And this one, I have no idea what this is for. But no, my laptop charger is not in the drawer of chaos.
Okay, so the charger is not in the laptop bag, it's not at your desk, and it's not in the cable drawer. Now we need to use our detective skills and retrace your steps.
Retrace my steps. That's what we did when I lost my phone.
Exactly. The strategy worked then, so it might work now. When was the last time you remember using your laptop charger?
Let me think very carefully. I think the last time I used it was 2 nights ago, on Thursday evening.
And where were you in the apartment on Thursday evening?
I was sitting right here, on the sofa in the living room. I was watching a movie on my laptop, and the battery was low, so I had it plugged in.
Uh-huh. A very important clue. So the charger was definitely in this room, the living room, on Thursday. Maybe it is still here somewhere.
I didn't see it when we were looking for my phone this morning.
Let's do a more thorough search this time. Let's check behind the sofa cushions again. And let's look behind the television and the bookshelf. There are power sockets back there.
I have looked behind the sofa cushions again. Nothing. And I have looked behind the television. I found a lot of dust, but I did not find my power cord.
It is not here in the living room. Let's continue to retrace your steps. What did you do after you finished watching the movie on Thursday night?
After the movie, I was very tired, so I went to bed.
And did you take your laptop with you to the bedroom?
Yes, I did. I often read the news on it in bed before I go to sleep. So the laptop was definitely in the bedroom last night. Maybe I took the charger in there with it.
That is a very strong possibility. The bedroom is the next logical place to search. Let's go.
Okay, where should we look in here? I will check the wall socket next to my side of the bed. Sometimes I plug it in there.
Is it there?
No, the socket is empty. I'll check on my bedside table, behind my alarm clock. Nothing.
Maybe it fell on the floor during the night. Let's have a look on the floor all around the bed. We might need to use the torch on my phone again. This is a real mystery. We have searched all the logical places, and we have retraced your steps, and there is still no sign of your power cord.
I know. I feel like I am going crazy. I am starting to think it has just vanished.
A power cord cannot just vanish. It is a physical object. It has to be somewhere. I think we need to talk about one of your bad habits.
My bad habits? I don't have any bad habits.
Yes, you do. You have a very bad habit of not putting things back in their proper place. You are a little bit disorganized.
Okay, you are right. I am not the most organized person in the world. I often leave things lying around the apartment.
I know, and I think that is the problem here. If you had a rule that you always put your charger back in your laptop bag as soon as you finish using it, then you would never lose it.
You are so right. It is a 5-second action that would save me so much stress and wasted time. I promise that from now on, if we find this charger, I will be a more organized person. I will always put it back in its home. But what if we don't find it? I am starting to think that it is truly lost. Maybe I left it somewhere outside the apartment, at a cafe or at work.
That is a possibility, but you said you used it here on Thursday night, and you haven't taken your laptop out of the apartment since then.
That's true. It must be here. But if we can't find it, what is my backup plan? Can I buy a new one? My laptop is useless without it.
Yes, of course you can buy a replacement charger. You just need to go to a big electronics store. A place like MediaMarkt will definitely have them.
That is a relief. Is it very expensive to buy a new one?
It can be. The official chargers from the manufacturer, like Apple or Dell, can be quite expensive. Sometimes you can buy a cheaper, universal one from a different brand.
The most important thing is that it is the correct one for my laptop, right?
Absolutely. You must make sure it is compatible. You will need to know the exact model number of your laptop to buy the right charger. You can usually find the model number on the bottom of your laptop. So our backup plan is to go to the electronics store this afternoon if we have to, but I am not ready to give up our search just yet. I have one last idea.
One last idea? You are like a super detective. What is it?
We have retraced your steps from the last few days inside the apartment. But have you been anywhere outside the apartment recently with your laptop?
Let me think. Yes, I went on a short work trip last weekend. I was in Salzburg for 2 days, and I definitely took my laptop and my charger with me.
And when you came back, you unpacked your suitcase. But what about the bag you used for the trip, your travel backpack? Have you used it since you got back?
No, I haven't. It is still in the closet in the hallway. I just took my clothes out.
Then that is the last place we need to look. It is so easy to leave a charger in a small, forgotten pocket of a travel bag. I have done it myself many times.
That is a brilliant idea. It is a place we haven't even thought of searching yet. I'm going to get the backpack right now. I feel a new sense of hope. Okay, I have my travel backpack right here. I am feeling very hopeful. Please let it be in here.
Check all the pockets very carefully, even the small, hidden ones.
I will. Okay, I am opening the main compartment first. I'm feeling around inside. Nope, just a few old receipts and a pen.
Don't be discouraged. What about the other compartments?
There is a padded section for the laptop itself. It's not in there. And there is a medium-sized pocket on the front. Let me check that one.
Is it in there?
No, just my headphones and an old muesli bar. I'm starting to lose hope again. There is just one more pocket left. A very small, flat pocket right at the front. I hardly ever use it.
Well, you have to check it. The last place you look is always where you find it.
Okay, I am unzipping it now. I'm putting my hand inside. I can feel something. It's a cable. It's my charger! I have found it!
You found it! Oh, that is the best news. I am so relieved.
I am beyond relieved. I don't believe it. It was in the one pocket I never use. You are an absolute genius, Speaker 2. Thank you so much for your help. Now I can finally finish my email.